Hi, it's Cheryl here and welcome to the Made on Sundays Creative Studio. Here I talk about all things branding, design, and creative entrepreneurship. And I just really wanted to create an inspiring and relaxing space so that I can share easy to follow tutorials on platforms like Canva and Squarespace and the Adobe Suite. To not only document my design journey, but also to share the knowledge to you so that you can also start building out your creative business dreams. But it's also a space where I get to bring up important conversations for the dreamers, for the passionate, and for those who just love to learn and explore their creative selves, but also make a living while doing that. So a little bit more about myself. I recently actually came from the Canadian corporate world. And one day I just decided it was time to pursue some of these passions and dreams that I had for my own life. And so if there's one thing that I truly believe is that if you even take just one tiny baby step a day towards your dreams, by the end of the year, you can make some profound changes. So within that year, I quit my corporate job. I moved to a completely different country in the other side of the world. I started a business based out of a creativity, and now I work full-time remotely with female entrepreneurs and other aspiring creatives to build out their dream businesses. And honestly, it's been an incredible experience. But I also really want this to be a multi-way kind of conversation on this channel. I want to hear from you. What have you been up to? What has been your experience in your creative explorations? What kind of amazing business ideas are you brewing up right now? And what kind of dream life are you intentionally moving towards right now? These are reoccurring themes and questions that I want to have conversations around throughout many of my videos on this channel. So please ask me questions, leave your comments below in this video or the next video that you watch of mine. And I really want to create a community of aspiring creative entrepreneurs to have important conversations and share ideas and share love. I hope the space brings you a calm and grounded Sunday afternoon vibes to you no matter where or when you are watching this from. And if you are vibing with anything that I said today, then please subscribe and ring that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming. You can find me on my website at madeonsundays.com or on Instagram at madeonsundaysstudio, where I talk about my life in Amsterdam now, the clients that I'm working with, but also a ton of branding and design inspiration. I am so excited to be on this creative journey with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.